How to skate for beginners, and guess what? Yours truly is a beginner. So if this works for me, I think it could work for you. You're strolling along the street and oops, there's a curb. Don't panic, stomp her down and step. Whew, that was close. Keep your knees bent, eyes forward, brace yourself, and let's have some fun. I kind of enjoy skating along sidewalks. You have to be extra careful. There's no rocks that can trip you.
The infamous barrel roll. If you're a beginner like me, you should take some time to study this. YouTube some videos on barrel roll. It'll definitely help you become a better skater. All I know is front, back, front, back, that's it. Turning. You can turn many ways, but I like to make my feet into a C, and that seems to be very simple for me. I just take one foot and put it outward and make the other foot follow, basically making a C. That's how I do my turns. They're fast, they're easy, they seem stable, but you can also turn
Many other ways. And I personally think that this is faster, like I said, than, walking it around or quote unquote butterflying it around. Eventually you'll get really good. You just keep at it, just like with anything. Practice, practice, practice. And when in doubt, head towards the grass. The grass is your friend, and it's the safest place to train. And you can work on bends. If you need to stop, you just bring your feet to a pyramid, like that.
Make sure your skates are properly tied. I wanted to do a demonstration on how stable it is once you're on the grass. If I could do a cartwheel, okay, and pull one leg up, you should be fairly stable when on the grass. So this is a good area to get familiar. Now that we're familiar with skating, we can start our bends, and when standing we'll keep our knees bent, and I keep my hands kind of forward just to make sure that in the event that I fall, I will catch myself. And when in doubt, just head towards the grass. The grass is your friend. These lessons have been so fun today that I decided to take it to a skate park. Yes, a skate park. Somewhere where I typically wouldn't venture to, but I felt like I really understood the importance of keeping my knees bent, staying braced for a fall, my pyramid to stop, and, just to skate in general.
Since I have no experience whatsoever going up and down these ramps, I've decided to bring my bike and give it a try just to get a feel for the ramps. My goal in the future would definitely be to, of course, have my pads on and be able to go up and down ramps safely with just my skates. This really did give me a good feel for how my feet would feel going up and down ramps. It was really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so much fun. I really do hope you guys learned something. And if you did, please put it in the comments and let me know. And if I could learn something, let me know.